Hello parents and kids, here's Ms. Shub again doing a homework tutorial. Today we did area. I will also post the brain pop video on area for you. As you'll see, your child will have different rectangles in which they need to find the area for, which we discussed. Finding the length times the width equals the area. So last year in second grade we did a lot of arrays where we did repeated addition, which we talked about today is how we're going to move into third grade with multiplication. So if your child is doing repeated addition, that's fine, but we are representing it with a multiplication sentence, like so. So for number 1, we want to find the length. So we would count the square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 times the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 9 times 5, which we discussed. We also have 5 times 9. And as I can see, 5 is a number that's really nice to skip count by, so that's something that I could use if I don't know my multiplication facts yet. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And it's 45 square units. Your child can write it as units squared like that, or 45 square units. One thing that's really important for them to remember is this is the length and the width, but it also is the same if I look at it in this direction as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because each of the columns have the same amount, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and each of the rows have the same amount. So they should put their answer on the line, 45 square units. So we'll do the same thing for number 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have 3 times 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 times 3 equals, 3, 6, 9. 9 square units. Again, it could be square units like that, or 9 units squared. Okay, and we'll write it on the line. Please make sure your child is checking their work. Each of the problems should have the multiplication problem underneath to solve it. If they have 2 problems, that's awesome. If it's one that has the same factors, it's fine to just do the 1 problem, but please make sure they also write their answers on the line with the unit as well. Thank you.